while. Oh, I remember when me, my brothers and sisters, when we used to live together, when our papa was still alive. We lived under one roof from our papa, love and respect one another all the time. Love you, papa. Morning sun on the island shore, same blue sky, same ocean breeze, footsteps gone down familiar roads. Your laughter echoes in my soul. Some of you far on the mainland side, chasing dreams, living your life. But every night when the stars appear, I feel you close, even when you're not here. Across the water, across the sea, my brothers, my sisters, you live in me. No distance breaks this family tie. One blood, one heart, under the same sky. Oldest brother still standing strong, fighting battles that took too long. Oldest sister living alone on papa's land, with only her loving granddaughter, island wind, faithful guide of our Lord. We hold the line, we keep family love, calling softly each of your names. Though miles apart, love still stays like island roots that never break. Across the water, across the sea, my brothers, my sisters, you live in me. No distance breaks this family tie. One blood, one heart, under the same sky. If you feel lonely where you are, look up, we share the same stars. Every prayer, every tear carries my love to where you are. Across the water, hear my call. Family love outlasts it all, till the day we're side by side. You're always home, in my heart inside.